So if you've never gotten a client from Fiverr or Upwork of any of these freelancing platform before, come, let me show you what you can do. Yes. So in this video, I'm going to show you the other alternative you can make use of if you are in Nigeria to get clients. This is the strategy which I have applied in my agency and it has actually produced results. Nowadays, we get clients from both international and local audience. Now, people reach out to us. This time is not us going out there to search for them and look for them and send proposal. No, they reach out to us based on the fact that they require our services and they need someone they can trust and they feel we are actually trustworthy because they can see us online and everywhere. Come in this video, I'm going to show you what you must do or what you should do to get your business either as a freelancer or as an agency online. Now, in 2024, people want to give jobs or web design jobs to people that they trust. Yes. And these people do not know you, so they cannot trust you. But they want to give jobs to people that they can trust. Now, how do they trust you? Is you placing yourself in a point or in a position that requires them to not only trust you, but to give you a call regarding what they need as a services. So, for example, someone in Lagos State needs a website and he doesn't have any personal web designer. So what does he do? He goes online and search, okay, web designer in Lagos State, and boom, he sees this website, it pop up. Now, he doesn't know this website, he doesn't trust this website, he or she hasn't come in contact with this website before. But you just feel like, okay, these people might be good. And then it goes through the website and be like, no, I don't know any of these people. They'll charge me too much. Now he goes to a platform, he knows that, he or she knows that, okay, this platform is trustworthy. For example, he goes to Gigi or he goes to any of these marketplace platforms, Gigi or List, or you just go to Google My Business and then pick any web designer there and just make up. Because why? He actually trusts those web designers. So what is the alternative that you can make use of in 2024? Number one, marketplace. Now, marketplace are actually trending in 2024, and people actually go there to perform tasks and services. For example, Gigi. Gigi is one of the top performing or the best performing marketplace in Nigeria today because they spend money on their advertisement, they spend money on promoting their brand, and they are trustworthy. People know them and they trust them. So when someone is looking for something or a services, he easily want to go to Gigi and come to your website. Okay, now go to your website like www.vtredesign.com.ng. He doesn't know you, but where he can find you, he can really find you on Gigi. So if he can find you on Gigi, then he can give you a call. And the number two place they can actually find you that you can place yourself, other than you looking for them, to look for you is Google My Business. Now with Google My Business, the trust level is very, very high because they feel that these people have actually been tested and trusted by Google. So now Google My Business is a service that is free of charge that helps you put your business listing out there. It is owned by Google. All you just have to do is to go to Google My Business, create a profile, verify your account, and then you start getting visitors from that platform. It is free. You don't have to pay anything. So that Google My Business has actually gotten us. I think for this week we have gotten close to. Okay, today is Thursday. We have gotten close to about 8 calls from Google My Business, and then um, I've gotten about 4 jobs from those 8 calls. We have currently have one from is an international person. He wants a SEO marketing service. We have one that wants a e-commerce website. We also have one about I think is a investment website. Yes, they're actually 4, and we've gotten them from Google My Business. Now we are not literally doing anything there. We just put our profile there, get reviews, get people to review it for us, and then that's all. Google start doing the promoting. And to know that that is actually valid is if you type in any of this, any service close to you, for example, plumber near me, Google will pop out all the plumbers you have in your environment. Now, that is how it works. That is how it works. Now, number 3 is directory listing website. This is not a marketplace. This is a listing website that you can actually go and list your services out. Yes, you go there and list your service out. So you have a lot of directory listing website out there in Nigeria. So you can just go there, create an account. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, it depending on you, whichever one you want to choose. But it's still the same thing, guys. You just use a free one if you're just starting out. they all works. They all works. Yes, they all works. So you just use the free one if you're just starting out. All you just have to do is to create an account. As you create an account, you upload your services, and then you're good. So if people, so for example, now you take your phone and search for V3 design, you're going to see a lot of directory listing website that's going to pop us out. And then when you search for web designer in Benin City, you're going to see us also. Now this site actually helps us. Now they rank higher than our own personal website. They rank higher than our own agency website. But they are still sending traffic back to us, and that is actually producing customer base for us. So that is a very good one, guys. So instead of you to start killing yourself, putting your stuff on Fiverr, going there every time, refreshing, hoping that something will happen, why not just try these other strategies? And if at the end of the day you get from Fiverr or Upwork, it will be an added advantage. But if not, you start getting local clients. Now you can also get international clients too. Yes, I know, because a lot of these people abroad, they want underpaid developers to work with underpaid developer, especially those that left Nigeria years ago. They want developers that they can pay low price, for example, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, and above. So they want developers that they can pay low price, because if they are going to pay somebody abroad to work with them, they are going to be talking about $1,000, $2,000. But if you convert that $1,000, $2,000 with current rate, you should be looking at about 1 million naira, 2 million naira. You get. So they want somebody that they know they can just pay any amount that is okay or convenient for the person. So if you can position yourself out there, you can easily get them. We got one this week, and it was through Google My Business. You get, guys. So that is it, guys. That is it. So you want to be able to position yourself. Now, if you end up getting customer, because you actually, it's actually good and okay if you get international clients in Nigeria, because the pay will be very, very hard. But if you don't, you have to keep moving, guys. You have to keep moving. So you have to try these other three alternatives, and then see how best it can work for you, and how you can actually get clients and keep your business going. So I hope these tips have been able to help you to understand how you can position yourself in 2024 to get web design client, or your any clients for your digital agency service. It could be social media management, it could be SEO service, it could be AI marketing service, any of them. But I hope these tips have been able to help you to position yourself to the point where you have to get job every time from any of these means or any of these methods. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video very interesting, please like this video and share this video. And if you have any question, please hit the comment area and just ask me the question, and I'll do well to actually reply you. So I remain your host, I remain your Victory Design, I remain Victor, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye for now, guys.